Welcome to another episode, and we're entering year 2026. We're going to be talking about Web3 website design. Alright, so without wasting much time on this, let's dive in. Alright, welcome back. We're going to design Web3 website banner that we can just start. So, let me zoom in. So, this is what I'm going to be designing. It's going to be something. So, let me put it at the side. Then, I'm going to create a rectangle shape. So, I'm going to look at this place, inches. Then, I'm going to change it. Make sure you click on the particular shape you want to. And we're going to go straight to the space over here to change the dimension. So right here, I'm using this particular number. So you can just follow it, you can just do your own thing the way you wish to. The second thing we're going to use is all this color that you have here is what we're going to be using. Then we use our interactive tool, and just click and drag it like this. Okay, next thing we're going to select this last one and make sure we change the color, the value of that color to this deeper color. And the other part we are going to change it to a lighter color, which is this. Then we adjust it. Adjust to suit your preference where you want. Might not be exactly the same thing the way I have it here. Just do it your own way. The next thing is to create that particular form. You learn from your text. Web3. The font I'm using over here is non-SaaS. So I'll just break it. Shortly is Ctrl-K. Then I'll color it with this particular color over here. Don't worry about these shortkeys I'm using. This is just my own settings and forever. I'm still going to release a short video on how to create a custom shortkeys. So the next one is this. Use my shape tools to curve the edges a little bit. Come here and color it to white for you to see what I'm doing. I'll change the outline. I'll change the outline. This particular method, you can decide to use this particular method, but it's not going to give us exactly what we want because of the tool we are going to use, which is interactive blend tool. It's not going to give us exactly what we want. So what we're going to do is use these other tools and this cutter, so this shape is. This particular tool is what will make sense. We break it apart. Then the one at the back, which is that white, that is what we're going to work with. So we use our interactive tool and mesh. You can use mesh. Let's use mesh. So the previous video I did before this, I introduced my mesh suite. I use mesh for some of for the design I just did. The previous one, I use mesh. For that mesh, if you want to know more about that mesh, go and watch that video so as for you to get more knowledge on how to use the mesh. So you can see all the edges here. So let's move on. I will color this particular one color and go straight to my mesh, activate it and go to click one after the other, and you can see you can adjust it any way you want. Let me show you. Adjust it and just paint it. Let's go to next slide. I will just fast forward this aspect. This particular light color is what I'm going to use over here, and boom, we have what we want. Now, except the one down, remaining the one down. So this particular color, you can see that place is very sharp compared to this one that is very light. So what you can do over there is just to tune down that particular color, activate your mesh tool, and click on that particular side, and you hold down your control and go to tune it down. Hold down your control and go to color it different color a little bit. Okay, so just for you to see exactly how this is being done. So let's move on to the next space and click on this line and color it another attribute of this color. I think this is more like it. You can change it. Okay, let's not waste too much time here. I just fast forward it, and the next step is I'm going to paint this particular black color, this one time color. Yes. So I still needed this small circle eraser, so I will use my this particular tool and just look at that and just click another touch. I'm going to use this cutter to create another one, then arrange it like this. Remember, the edges are very curved, so you shape your shape to curve the edges a little bit. So I think I have the design and what I want. Why do we have to create extra space over there? Just for, if there's any other feature that you wanted to include, I also go to that part. So I think I'm okay with this. The next step is to create our cloud. Our cloud, I like shape. So I click on my ellipse tool and draw perfect one, and just follow my steps here. Anywhere you see, I'll just follow my step here. I think that will help us to so I like everything and weld them together. So I've made my shape tools to remove this extra space and delete it. So this is what we are going to get. And what I'm going to do is drag it over here and give it a particular color. This particular light color. Okay, the next thing I'll use my transparent tool. Let me drag it down here. We need to have like 3 duplicates over here. Like I said earlier on, guys, please don't be annoyed. Don't be annoyed, please. The noise on my background, just the way it is, and the environment I found myself in now. So I will replace that upper one with this particular one I don't it. The other one is too harsh. Just to look at and replace it. Then it's time for us to create this. I'm done with this. Just take this particular one, use your shape tools to shape the edges. Then hold down your control and drag these last edges. Give us this particular shape. And give us a sharp edge. Then we're going to blend it as well with our interactive fill tool. I'm going to blend it like this. Okay, so The next step is to get our flowing, this three. Also put something here and a drawing effect over there. Very perfect ellipse to color it with this of color and the violet. Fill it. Now I duplicated this particular shape because I want to reduce one of it. So I will do my blend to my bitmap and Gaussian block. I'm going to work on this Gaussian block a little bit. Let's see how the further goes. I think this is okay. Next step, duplicate it outside and we can review it. Then review it and copy, right click to copy and fill it with this color. I use this particular one more completely than the one I already have. The next step, we're going to create this shadow, this shiny part, which is the same with that particular brighter color. Move the outline and place it exactly at the middle. Then copy it somewhere and move that last one. Alright, done this. The next step is for us to create a cloud. This fog type. So let's group everything about put it inside our rectangle box. And let's create a fog. Copy that, very copy that, and close it. I'm going to change the blend mode and make it white darker color silver. I'm just going to change the color. I hold down my control and give a click on that darker color to give me this, to tone the color down a bit. So I'm just going to duplicate, and adjust it. Then you have this aesthetic design. Might not look too much important until when you look it. You discover that this is just one section, one design. You have this header, you can have something like this as the header, and also have something more pretty much like this on the other section. So it's good that we can achieve this with corridor. As you follow, so you're going to be having more of a design like this on this channel. We'll group everything like our people inside to give us just a magic. In less than 30 minutes, we are done with this wonderful design. See, please, if you are not been following Carry this show, like, subscribe for this particular channel for you to be enjoying a wonderful design like this. See you in the next episode. Thank you.